Oh, g'day guys, Greg here. Well, it's product review time, and today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. Mr. Chan's meal kit. This is the Japanese golden curry with rich Japanese vegetable curry and fluffy heat and eat rice. Now you just need to add a few extra things to this. So I'm going to cook this up, see what it's like, and well, see if it gets the old Grego thumbs up or a big thumbs down. It looks pretty tasty, so how about we open the box and see what we get inside this meal kit. Okay, it's got a bit of an opening down the base here, so I'll just slide it all out here. If I can. Okay, so that's... well, we don't know yet. This is the rice. Okay. Oh, and that's it. Just these two packets. So that'll be the curry and this is the rice. Sweet as. Now for this you'll also need some chicken, potato and a carrot. So for starters, I'm going to cut this carrot into like cubits. That's actually called a potato, Grego. Of whatever size you want. I'm going the smaller because that'll probably take less time to cook. And it's easier to fit on the fork as well. And with the carrot, get rid of these bits there. I'll want to, I'll just cut these into little segments too. It says you want about a cup's worth. I think this is going to be about a cup and a half's worth. But I'll just use about that much carrot. And this I'll eat while I'm cooking. Yummo! Now you want to add pre-cooked vegetables and chicken to this, so there is some work involved. I'll put some, hot water in. We'll start that boiling. I always like to add a bit of salt to my water. We'll chuck in the potatoes, and they should take about 15 minutes to cook. And we'll also need to cook the chicken, so I'll add a bit of oil in there. Because why not? And I'll just cook this chicken until that's cooked. And now with the carrots, put those in a bowl. I'll just add a bit of water in there. Yeah, that'll steam them up nicely. Put the lid on, and this can go in the old nuker for about 3 minutes until they're cooked. How's this chicken going? Yep. It's going all right. Looks like it's going pretty well too. Okay, now so I've cooked the chicken and the potatoes and the carrots are cooked, and I've drained the water out of them. So now it's time to grab your curry pouch, and it wants you to heat it all in one bowl in the microwave. So I'm going to use my carrot bowl here. So I'll add into that the cooked potatoes and the cooked chicken as well. We pour in this curry paste into there. Might just give it a mix through. Make sure everything's coated. Whack the lid on. And this goes into the microwave for 2 minutes. So it heats that sauce up. Alright, so now that's done, we need to heat this rice up. Now it says to break up the rice a little bit, if it's all stuck together. In the corner here, there's a little tear thing. We just need to tear the corner of that. And now this goes into the microwave for 90 seconds. Oh, what the? No, not that. Yeah, 1 minute 30. And that's it, all done. So it says this rice will be really hot, so be careful when you're opening the pouch. So now it's just time to serve it up. So this says it serves 2 people, so well, put half the rice in this bowl. Boy, that's hot. And then in here, got the curry. So I'll get half that out. Put it over the top. And there you have it. Mr. Chen's Japanese golden curry is done. Alright, well, I've given it a little bit of time to cool down because it was very hot. Let's suss it out. Oh yeah. A little bit of a strange curry taste there. It's not as good as that other Japanese curry, that's for sure. It seems to be lacking in a little bit of flavour. Probably needs some extras. Seasoning's okay, but it could probably maybe do with a little bit more salt. Let's see. And I added pepper too. Right. Not too bad, but it doesn't have that authentic Japanese curry taste. It's there's just something about it that is a little bit off-putting actually. But anyway, how about we see what the Gregometer thinks about this meal? Now remember, with the Gregometer, that's a great result and that's a really bad one. So let's go! Okay, well it's starting, oh hang on, it's going backwards. Oh, that's not a good sign. That is not a good sign at all, folks. I mean, generally if it goes down, that means it was terrible. But, oh, hang on. Looks like it's going back up. Oh, looks like you've been saved again. Oh, what a relief. Oh, hang on. It's going down again. This is not a good sign. Let's just hope it doesn't stay there. Oh, hang on. No, it's on its way back up. It looks like it's going to be going all the way up. Well. In Gregometer we trust, so, well, that's where it's sat. And, well, I must say that this curry here, I mean, it was okay, but there was just a bit of a funny flavour about it. And, well, it was so complicated to cook as well. You had to do all these things instead of just throwing it all in together. The flavour of it wasn't that great either, and, well, I mean, it was cheap enough at half price. But tell you what, it's not a really great one, and if it came up for sale again at the supermarket, I don't think I'd be getting this one again. Well, there you go, Mr. Chen's Japanese golden curry. Not something that I'd be getting again, but there are a few other ones in his range that I wouldn't mind trying. If you'd like to see me try them, let me know down below. Show these videos some thumb and love. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I eat and cook and review something. I'll see you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are